So we got a call for an F-250 that's stuck in the sand out here to Sand Hollow, and we're gonna head out and see if we can get it. We got Rudy with us today.
Yep.
We got Jamie, and we got Randy, the cameraman.
Hello.
Somebody's got to give us a weather report since Ed's not.
It's hot.
It's hot.
It's always hot.
Thank you much. We'll go get them. Hello. So yeah, Sand Hollow is full to capacity. They're not letting anybody else in here. Jamie, I'm gonna put you in the recovered vehicle.
No,
All right, I'll put Rudy in. Put Jamie in this.
I don't want to be in anything. I'm good. Just chilling. Just coming along for the ride.
What are we getting out?
Ford F-250.
Yeah, that's why I don't want to be pulling the Ford F-250.
Oh man.
They're all buried.
Hey, how's it going?
We're gonna get two of them together.
Boy, you got this one stuck.
Can you make sure that the hub's locked? Got one of these shackles hooked on together? Oh, it's soft shackle.
Okay.
like, why is it going so slow? It's just not picking up.
It wasn't.
It was. And then we were trying to find a gap to shoot
Yeah.
to get out on the
Yeah,
road.
there was no spots. I saw that before.
The one that we were going to go for, I'm like, that's super deep. So then we went further, and then right around that box, we were able to.
So we got him found and pulled out of there. It was a little bit of, we had to do a little bit of looking to find a place to get back out on the road. The patrons to this fine park pretty much block the whole beach access off. But we shot the gap, barely, and another job done. Thanks for watching.